Hello and welcome to pmclounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I'm the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website as well as our official YouTube channel, youtube.com/pmclounge. If you're watching this video on YouTube and haven't subscribed to us, please do so. We are all about project management, PMP, and other such project management related certifications. Now, in this video, I'm answering a question that came in from Uzoma as a comment on one of our videos, and I'll drop the link to that video as well because it is an important video. It is about the PMP exam tips and tricks, and I'll read this comment out. You will see it on your screen now. When answering questions in the exam and you answer the questions but mark a couple of them, if you are not able to come back to unmark the questions, would the questions still be scored correct if they are actually correct? Now, this is a very, very important question, and that is why I wanted to create a video on it. So when you are taking up the PMP exam, you have this option of marking certain questions to review them later. So let's say you see a question, you think you know the answer, so you select an answer to that question, but at the same time, you mark it for review later because you want to come back to this question and think about it again later. Now, let's say you are actually out of time, right? When you finished your questions, you were out of time and you were not able to come back to this marked question that you wanted to review later, although you had already selected an answer for it. So now that you had already selected an answer for it, and let's say that answer was actually correct, but since you had marked it for review later, will PMI award you the score, the numbers that you basically should be getting since the answer was correct? You actually will. See, marking a question for review later does not in any way impact the score that you are going to gain if the answer that you have selected is actually correct. So this is just an option that PMI is providing you to review questions for later. But if you are not able to find time to review the questions later and you had selected certain answers, those answers will be considered. If those answers are correct, you are going to get the corresponding score for those answers as well. So I hope you got the answer to the question. This was an important one. That is why I took it up and created a video on it. If you have any such questions, drop them in the comments. I reply to all comments possible. And if there's a comment which is as important as this one, I will create a video on it as well. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.